5 Simple Steps to Grow Delicious Tomatoes at Home. A Guide to Successful Tomato Gardening. Tomatoes are one of the most popular and versatile fruits grown in home gardens. They are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients like vitamins A and C, potassium, and antioxidants. Growing tomatoes at home can be a rewarding experience, and with a little effort and care, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of juicy, fresh tomatoes right from your garden. In this video, we will take you through 5 simple steps to successfully grow tomatoes at home. Step 1. Choose the right tomato variety. There are various tomato varieties to choose from, such as beefsteak, cherry, Roma, and heirloom. Consider factors like the climate in your region, the available space, and your culinary preferences. For beginners, cherry tomatoes are a great option as they are easy to grow and produce abundant fruit. Heirloom tomatoes, on the other hand, offer unique flavors and colors, making them perfect for food enthusiasts looking to explore different tastes. Step 2. Prepare the soil. Tomatoes thrive in well-draining, nutrient-rich soil. Start by selecting a sunny spot in your garden or use containers if you have limited space. Remove any weeds and rocks from the area and dig the soil to a depth of at least 12 inches. Incorporate organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure to improve soil fertility and texture. Step 3. Planting tomatoes. Plant tomatoes after the last frost date in your region when the soil has warmed up. Dig a hole deep enough to accommodate the roots of the tomato plant and add a teaspoon of balanced fertilizer in the hole. Gently remove the plant from its container and place it in the hole. Fill the hole with soil and pat it down to eliminate air pockets. Space tomato plants at least 2 feet apart to allow for proper air circulation. Step 4. Watering and mulching. Tomatoes need consistent moisture to grow and produce healthy fruits. Water the plants regularly, aiming to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. To retain soil moisture and prevent weeds, apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plants. Mulching also helps regulate soil temperature and reduces the risk of soil-borne diseases. Step 5. Pruning and supporting tomato plants. As tomato plants grow, they tend to become bushy, which can reduce air circulation and increase the risk of diseases. Pruning the lower leaves and suckers, small shoots that grow between the main stem and branches, helps improve air circulation and directs energy to fruit production. Additionally, provide support to the tomato plants with stakes or cages to prevent them from bending or breaking under the weight of the fruit. Overall, growing tomatoes at home is a rewarding experience that allows you to enjoy fresh and nutritious produce straight from your garden. By following these 5 simple steps: choosing the right tomato variety, preparing the soil, planting tomatoes properly, providing adequate water and mulching, and pruning and supporting the plants, you can ensure a successful tomato gardening journey. So, roll up your sleeves, get your hands dirty, and start growing delicious tomatoes in your very own backyard.